Hello there, welcome back. So on this 2004 Mitsubishi Galant, customer states there's a loud noise underneath the dash whenever I turn on the AC. So I removed the blower motor and this is what happened. So to remove it you need to get a short flat point screwdriver, just like this one, and it's carry 3 screws that hold it in place. So you can either use an 8 socket or that short screwdriver to get it out. So this is what happened. So they brought a new blower motor. So I'm just gonna replace it. So all I have to do is just unplug this one. Alright, so I'm just gonna unhook this blower motor from this wire harness. Alright, so I unhook this one. The wire look a bit dirty. It should work. So I'm just gonna drop it in the new one. So this is what's going on with it, guys. I don't know where these things come from, but jam in the motor, so make it vibrate a lot, guys. So I'm going to install the new one, get this old one up the way. Alright, so plug this one here. Alright, so I get the 3 screws in there, so I just need to tighten them. Alright, so I finished install it, guys. So that's it right there. So I have to remove the glove box also to get more space. There we go. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.